In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount code in Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. If you're an entrepreneur, artist, or creator using Gumroad to sell your products, you might find that offering discount codes can be an excellent way to enhance sales and attract new customers. So here's how you can easily create a discount code within the Gumroad platform. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Gumroad website. If you are not logged into your account yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. You need to be in your dashboard to access all the features you'll be using today. Once you've logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a list of options related to your account and products. Look for the one labeled Checkout. Click on that to enter the checkout settings. Now you should see various options related to the checkout process. One section you will come across is the Discount section. Click on that to proceed. This is where the magic happens. It's the section that allows you to create and manage your discount codes. Inside the Discount section, you will see an option to add a new discount. Click on the button that says New Discount. This is your starting point for creating your discount code. You'll be prompted to fill out a few required fields. First, you need to choose a name for your discount. This name will be visible to your customers, so make it something catchy and relevant to the promotion you're running. For instance, if it's a seasonal sale, you might want to name it something inviting like Fall Sale or Summer Savings. Next, you'll need to specify the actual discount code. This is what your customers will enter at the checkout to apply their discount. Again, keep it simple but memorable. A great example would be Save 10 if you're offering a 10% discount. After naming your discount code, you need to set its parameters. Decide if the discount applies to all products or just specific ones. If it's for just a specific product, you'll need to select that product from your inventory. This allows you to customize the promotion effectively. Now you can also specify the quantity of the product that shoppers need to purchase to apply the discount. This can encourage your customers to buy in bulk. For instance, if you set it so the discount only applies when they buy 3 items, it's a good incentive for them to purchase more than they initially planned. Once you've filled in all this information, you'll simply hit the button that says Add Discount. Just like that, you've succeeded in creating a discount code. Before you wrap up, take a moment to review the details you entered to ensure everything looks right. You want to make sure the discount is correctly applied so that your customers can enjoy those savings without a hitch. Congratulations! You've added a discount code in Gumroad. Now your customers will have an incentive to buy your products, which should help boost your sales. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to check out the Gumroad support page or drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. So now you're equipped to create discount codes that can enhance your business on Gumroad. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks, and don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful.